Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Magful of Life. This is a get ready with me video for another video shoot for YouTube itself. So first of all, I have prepped my face, like I have washed my face and applied the moisturizer, and now I'll move directly to the foundation. So I'm using the Lakme Invisible Finish foundation and applying the foundation all over my face with the applicator given. This is a low to medium coverage foundation. Like for my face, I didn't really require a full coverage foundation, so I'm using this, focusing on the areas that are dark, and now with the help of a flat foundation brush I am blending it. Now when it comes to concealing, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation itself, a lighter shade of the foundation I'm using for concealing. Now I've applied it to my under eye area and my eyelids as well, and I'll be just blending it with my fingers itself, firstly in my under eye areas, and then I'll go on to my eyelids. But before that, I will immediately, after blending the foundation, I'll immediately set it with a powder so that it doesn't crease in my under eye areas. And for setting also, I used the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder itself. Then I will be moving on to the eyelids now, and I'll just blend the foundation again and set it with the powder itself on both my eyes. And with the rest of the powder remaining on my brush, I'll just set the rest of my face as well. Now with the same foundation, I'll be going on to my neck also, because it would look really awkward if you apply a foundation on your face and you leave your neck behind. Like your face will have a different shade and your neck will have different. So that's the reason why. Now I'll be moving on to my eye. Today I'll not do any full-fledged eye look. I'm just taking a shimmer shade, a goldenish brown shimmer shade, and applying it on my eyelids. And yeah. Okay, now I'm using a white shimmery shade for the inner corner of my eyes. I'm just applying it with my ring finger and then moving it a little with my little finger. This actually gives a popped out look to your eye, and they sort of look bigger. Now moving on to eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Glossy eyeliner and just lining my eyes and creating the usual wing that I always do and like. So yeah. Okay, now moving on to the kajal. I actually am out of the Nykaa Black Magic kajal that I usually use, so I'm using the Bella Voste kajal, the purple kajal, and just applying it in my lower lash line, if that's right. So yeah. Now moving on to the lips, I'm using the Miss Claire Glimmer Stick for lips in the shade Sandy Pink, and just lining my lips with that. Okay, now moving on to the lips, I'm using my favorite, all-time favorite, the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. Then coming on to the blush, so important, I'm using the as usual Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. This just seems to be an all-time fave too. So going in with the blush in my cheeks and also the nose a little. And now coming on to highlighter, I'm using again the Wet n Wild highlighter. Also, I'm going on my cheeks a little with the highlighter, my cupid's bow, and a little on the nose. Now I've always heard other YouTubers say this. Now I'm also gonna say it. So I'm putting the highlighter on the bridge of my nose and also the tip of my nose. Now I am putting the highlighter on my collarbone for a glow. When done with that, now I'll move on to eyebrows and I'll fill my eyebrows and also shape them full-fledgedly today. So first of all, with the brush given, now I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow product again. I'll mention it in the description. So yeah, first of all, I'm shaping my eyebrows and then filling them too. Okay, so the eyebrow palette that I just used had a wax in it, that is for setting the eyebrows. Yet I am using a mascara to set my eyebrows, since that is something that can be available on a daily basis. So I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara for setting my eyebrows, and then I'll go with the mascara, that same mascara, on my eyelashes also. Okay, so now I'm done with that, and now some posing time. So now I'd just like to thank you so very much for watching my video, and do support me by subscribing to my channel and liking and sharing my video. And until the next time, goodbye and take care.